Alright guys, if you're watching this video, you're likely having the same issue as me. You're getting a connection failed message saying network failed to start. Reason HUENEME-NEGEV. So no matter how many times I retry the connection, it's unsuccessful. So I've reached out to Activision in regards to this to see if they could help me through it. I haven't had much luck. So far we're still working through it, but I do know a fix. It's a pain in the ass fix, but this is what you have to do. So once you're in settings, you're gonna wanna go over to network settings. After you get into network settings, you're gonna wanna go to manage wireless network. Then down to manage my networks. You're gonna wanna go on your phone, open up a hotspot, and you're gonna wanna click on that hotspot. My hotspot is named iPhone, so I click that. It says you've successfully switched over to your iPhone. You're gonna wanna hit OK. Now you're gonna wanna hit B as for back, and then you're gonna wanna go to hit B again, then go down to test network connection, click that, and it says it's all good. So that means that it's working. So then go back onto your controller, double tap that button, the Xbox button, go over to Call of Duty, and hit retry. Then hit A, and it says waiting. Checking for updates. So you can see now it's working. So then go over to, you're likely gonna want to play Call of Duty Warzone, I'm assuming. Click that, let it launch. It's taking its time here. Okay, so the game is now working. You can see that I'm online. However, you're not gonna have a very good connection off your iPhone hotspot. So then you're gonna wanna go back onto your controller here, tap the white button again, go over to your profile, go down to settings again, go to network, manage my networks, and then click your main internet connection. And it says you've successfully switched to Rather Be Plumbing. Click OK, whatever your network's named. Hit the Xbox button again twice. Go down to Call of Duty. Click that. And it says, notice, you must have an active network connection to play Xbox. Now you hit retry, and you can see it's loading and it's working. So that's how you fix that. Now you may have to do this every time you turn off your Xbox, or every odd time, but this is the only fix that I've found. I've messaged Activision. They're trying to work on coming up with something here. To be honest, they haven't been very helpful. We'll see what happens. And this is it. So you can play Warzone now. It's a big pain in the ass. And the thing that pisses me most off about Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is that they basically make you pay for weapons to have a good loadout. It's the only way to have good weapons, and that pisses me off a lot. But other than that, the game's decent. So then you're gonna wanna go down to test network connection. It says that it's all good, so you hit